Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I cut and stitch this cold shoulder sleeve with falling elastic like this. So what I have here is a rectangular cut out fabric. Now if I measure this side, which is the length of the sleeve, I have 11 and this other side is 24. So because I intend to line the sleeve, I'll just fold the fabric into two like this and then place my lining under and then cut. If you take note, you will notice that the lining is 1 inch shorter than the sleeve. So now I will just cut. After cutting, I will just open up and then place my lining in the front like this. Stitch this part. Now this part is stitched. You notice that the sleeve is 1 inch longer than the lining, so I'll just bring it up a bit. Then I'll stitch on this part like this. Then I'll leave this small opening, stitch on this part like this, then leave this small opening. Now I'm done stitching, and this is the opening I left to turn out the sleeve. So I'll just turn it out and do same thing for the second sleeve. I'm done turning, but because it's rough, I will just iron. Now it's ironed and it's looking very neat. So I'll just flip this side the other way and then go to the shoulder part, which is the top part, and then I will just fold it like this, and then you can use 3/4 of half inch depending on how big you want your elastic to be, and then you just stitch like this, take it right round, because this is the part the elastic will go in through. Now I'm done stitching, as you can see, both sides. So now I'll just fold my fabric like this and then stitch again like this. Fold the second one and then stitch again like this. Now both are stitched. Then now I'll turn it out. After turning out, I'll bring out my bodies I intend to attach the sleeve to. Now put the sleeve under, bring this one down, make sure the side align. You can decide to take it up and cut depending on how high you want the cold shoulder sleeve to go, or you bring it down. Just make sure that they both align inside. After that, you cut. Now I'm done cutting. I'll bring the other sleeve and then turn, place it at the back and bring the cut one in front and then cut, because I want to replicate the sleeve. So now I'll cut. After cutting, this is the hole through which my elastic will go in. As you can see, this is the elastic I'll be using. As you can see, it's stretching because I want it to drop. So I'll be using 9 inches, and this is the pin with which I'll take it in. Now this is my cut out 9 inches elastic. Now I'll just pass the pin through it. or close, and then take it through the hole. If today is your first time joining in, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for always coming back. So now both elastic are passed through. I'll just go to my machine and then I will just secure this part by sewing, because I don't want the elastic to go in mistakenly. So now I'll just stitch on that part. I'll do same thing for both sleeves. Now this is my sleeve and this is my front bodice. So I'll just open up at the side of it, and then I'll bring my sleeve, place, and then I'll place both sides together like this. The side of the bodice and then the side of the sleeve, where they meet themselves, I'll just hold that part and work it up like this. When I'm done working it up, then I will just sew it, put it on my machine, and then I will sew. Now I'm done sewing. Then this is the other part of my arm. You can start to stitch, use the bias, or you hem. When you hem, this seam doesn't come out on the other side. But for me, I intend to finish with a bias. I'll just place my bias under like this. Then I'll sew it. If you try out this tutorial, I would like you to share your experience with us by leaving a comment below, so that we too can also learn from you. Now I'm done stitching that part. I will just turn over my bias part and also sew this tight too. If you find this video helpful, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this, and also turn on your notification bell. So this is the finished outcome of the sleeve. Thank you.